Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is a weekend ammo shortage later update. So this week, I didn't really go to any shop this week. Just maybe 2 or 3 times, but most of the time it's a bus because I am ready to do some. I'm ready to make the biggest decision of my life. Is upgrading my optics. I'm talking about my eyes. So I am getting LASIK surgery next week. And so this week, I'm just kind of prep for it and just kind of chill out a little bit, not to get, too much anxiety, pressure and stuff like that. So, I'm just going to chill out a little bit, but every time I go, I always, try to get some ammo everywhere I go, if possible, because right now it's just so hard to find any of these stuff you're talking about. I mean, the price is like double, triple, you name it. So if you can find it, get it. I mean, Slow Joe is threatening everybody again. I mean, I see it coming, I see it coming. It's not a surprise or anything that Slow Joe gonna have some sort of executive action on it. And a lot of people are panicking, but to be honest with you guys, I'm fine on the ammo, but just want to get a little bit more just in case, especially the import stuff. But what you see here, I don't think it's import stuff, it's main US stuff. So I got myself 2 pack of Valkyrie. You guys know that I just collect 224 Valkyrie recently, so why not get some more, why not? Although I have I think enough for a year. Check it out for you guys one more time. Pre-opening this. Nice. Federal is backing 224 Valkyrie. So so it's good. I mean, it's not the most accurate round, but it can reach over a mile. And that's a key. You can't do that with 5.56. Also got those are $15 per box at Academy. So the reason I go with 224 Valkyrie because it's widely available in my area every time I go to Academy, even though I couldn't find any 9mm or 223 5.56. I can always find some box of 224. This box here is at Shoot Point Blank. They have this hugely available in my area. I got this from the Arlington Shoot Point Blank. And if you have a membership with them, they'll give you 5% off all your guns and ammo purchase. So these are $24, I believe, plus 5% off. Hollow Point Ammo Incorporated. I'm not sure how accurate this stuff are, but when I get a chance to shoot it, I'll show it to you guys. It's 45 ACP, $24 a box. 5% off if you have the membership, but the membership is like $70. Yeah, but the cool thing about the membership is that you shoot unlimited times. You can also bring a guest with you. So every time you go to a range, you can bring a guest with you, shoot any day of the week you want. And if you join them for over 2 months, and they'll give you free classes and stuff like that. So a little expensive for more than $1 round, but it's Hollow Point. I'm not going to get too much of this stuff, just some, just to have it, I guess. Here I got 2 boxes of a 6-hour 9mm Hollow Point. Once again, I got these. However, some people just doesn't like the ballistic performance of this stuff or even accuracy performance, but anyway, it's really hard to get the Hornady Critical Duty or Critical Defense, yet alone on a box of 6-hour, because this is all I see on the shelf. I wish it was 6-hour, and no, I wish it were Hornady, then I'll buy that instead, but then this is all I see on the shelf in terms of a good Hollow Point, so why not grab 2 box. These are $45 per box. $45 per box, but $5 discount. So it's still coming out at less than $1 round. I mean, it's rare to see less than $1 around for a quality hollow point. Although some people doesn't like 6-hour stuff, but anyway, it's already hard to find the Hornady Critical Duty, yet alone 6-hour. And even during good time, I couldn't find a box of 6-hour available. So consider, I'm seeing a couple of boxes on Shoe Point Blank. You know, it's pretty good, not too bad. But yeah, I don't want to stock up too much on this stuff. Super expensive, almost $1 around. But you know, it is what it is. I mean, if you pay online, at least $65 per box, I think. Maybe more, maybe even more, because these are 50 round per box. Hollow point 50 round per box. So you're paying like $70 per box online. So less than $1 around. Still okay, I guess. But I don't need any more 9mm. 9mm unless it's a good deal. I think these still a good deal because it's less than $1 around for defense ammo. So that is it for this week. I got more stuff, but you know, I want to keep this video short and sweet because I don't want to strain myself too much with my eye doing editing and stuff like that. And my previous video, you see like a little bit a rant on the store that refused to service customer because they don't wear masks. Well, don't go and you know, call them up or anything like that. It's just like if they choose to go with California law, then that's their fault, you know. If they refuse to service a customer, that's their fault. That's not anybody's fault. But for those business who like to have customer around, then yeah, you shouldn't be able to tell. You shouldn't You shouldn't tell customer what they should and should not do. With the old life, you know, like you already wear a mask. Why do you want to force other people to do it? But yeah, so small business, you better watch out, man. If you follow all this California and New York law, people is gonna boycott you, and that's gonna be that's the thing, you know. You can't work, you go broke, and if your business always struggle to survive, now you just refuse people to service people, your business is gonna go down the drain. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I also gonna keep you updated on the LASIK surgery thing. Basically, I'm doing a SMILE LASIK surgery. So my sister and her friend doesn't regret the LASIK, and you know they have good luck with it. Although my sisters have a little complication with one of her eye, but not to the point that she regret doing LASIK. So I gonna have to do a sting and see how it goes. And you know, if everything goes well, you know what I'm gonna do after that? I'm gonna get myself a night vision, a pretty decent one. Gonna do a review on that. And of course, if I feel like it, I'm gonna give away some ammo from my stash. So yeah, tune in for that. Hopefully everything goes well with the LASIK surgery, and I'll keep you updated on the LASIK surgery. But this past few days, I mean, they put this drop on my eye. My pupil is like dilated for like 2 days. Right now it's still like not 100%, but it's kind of blurry. Well, it's not 100%, but it's like 98% already. So, oh man, it's just filled with nervousness and excitement, you know, at the same time. You're nervous because you're gonna have some foreign object go into your eye, and then excitement is that you don't have to wear glasses anymore. But you know, I'll see how that goes. You know, I'm gonna let you guys know how the LASIK procedure goes, and if it goes well, I mean, they could recommend you guys to have a LASIK surgery yourself. I mean, the wearing glasses is just a pain. You know, you have to wake up every day looking for your glasses. I mean, if you happen to, I don't know, crack your glasses or something like that during SHTF, I mean, it's gonna be really bad. So LASIK surgery just kind of solve all the problem, and it's gonna be, like I said, one of the biggest optics of upgrade of my life. So we'll see how that goes. Peace out.